था, पहला कमर्शियल था when I was still in school, when I was in A levels, और वो था साकिब मलिक के साथ.
अच्छा.
And this was a Telenor commercial. Are we allowed to
Yeah,
name?
of course. We're not sponsored.
Okay.
So
So
it's
Telenor
okay.
commercial था. But use Jazz because I'm with Jazz. Obviously.
Okay.
Mobiling Jazz all the way.
Yeah.
So khair, anyway, so wo commercial tha and I got a call from, I remember I got a call, and that time I was also, little known fact, I was VJing. Your research has been very amazing. I'm surprised. So I was still in A levels और जब मैं वो VJ कर रहा था तो उनकी मुझे कॉल आई थी साकिब मलिक की, and you know unfortunately I didn't know साकिब मलिक कौन है, I didn't know आसिम रज़ा कौन है, I didn't know these big names.
You were studying
I was in school.
School और फिर उसके बाद IBA.
IBA में फाइनेंस.
Finance
So अभी तक तो मैं
marketing,
यूनिवर्सिटी में भी आया था
yeah.
और मुझे कॉल आती है साकिब मलिक की और वो कहते हैं कि you know, I saw some clip of yours while you were VJing and there's this ad that I want you to do. तो मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था कि कितने पैसे होने चाहिए, कितने पैसे नहीं होने चाहिए. So the first thing I said, अच्छा, so how much are you going to pay me? So he told me a certain number.
Was it a lot?
In retrospect, that's a big number.
Because
So-
A level पे थे ना.
Achha, but I was trying to act like a wise guy. So I was like, I thought of that number and then I doubled it and I gave him that number. I was like, no, I'll do it in this much. So he laughed at my confidence.
But he gave it to you.
And he's like, okay, chalo, I'll give you that. So wow.
But that's Saqib.
But that-
Saqib ke saath, I know. Because he's a very good friend of mine.
Yeah.
You never tell him. You have to bargain with him. Yeah. All right.
And you know, the other day I met him. So I reminded him that story and he remembered. He's like, yeah. He's like,
उसके साकिब
he's like, बचपन से ही तेज थे तुम.
नहीं वो भी तेज है. हाँ वो भी आपको बता लो बॉल करता है फिर उसके बाद जाके
Yeah.
you know कि उसका बजट होता है.
So उसके बाद then I worked with so I think I did 2 ads with Saqib. Back to back. And then I did I think 2 or 3 ads with Asadul Haq. Back to back.
Right.
And then by that time I was in uni. I joined IBA. I
Right.
studied finance there. And while I was there, the VJing चल रही थी. और साथ
Which
साथ
channel VJ?
this was a channel called OE.
Of course, I remember that.
Yeah, and then closed down much later.
Yeah.
So while that was happening, while I was VJing, I kept getting these assignments, and it was always amazing because you know, as a university student, this was good money.
Yeah.
And so you know, that's how it started. And then I would go, and then also in those days, most of our ads commercials were shot in Thailand.
Yeah,
you
so
know?
it was fun. You got a trip.
Yeah, every month or so, I was getting to go travel and
मजे.
बहुत लोग envy भी करते थे मेरे सारे batchmates
दोस्त
के
जो हैं, हाँ.
इसके बड़े मजे हैं. And then so then I did a couple with Asad, and then उसके बाद फिर then I got lucky. I did a international commercial, Vatika, which was in Arabic. So there's a commercial out there on YouTube in which I'm speaking Arabic.
Really?
I don't know. They dubbed me.
But you could pass off. Right? I think.
I don't know. It was for the Jordan, Egypt, that market. और उनकी बहुत बड़ी एक हीरोइन थी जिसका नाम था शेरी आदिल. Sherry Adil, I think. You know, apparently she was supposed to be their superstar.
Right.
So I was in that commercial opposite her, and so I remember I did that. उसके लिए Sri Lanka गए. So those days were amazing. You know, I was getting to travel a lot while I was at uni. I was making great money, but it was still fun and games.
Yeah.
While I was uni, I was studying finance, but then I took a few courses in advertising. So while I was doing advertising, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा शौक चढ़ा
Directing का.
एड बनाने का.
अरे वाह. Going on the opposite side.
या क्योंकि जब आप एड में काम भी कर रहे होते हैं तो आपको हमेशा एक क्यूरियोसिटी होती है कि यार वो लोग जो कर रहे हैं
पीछे जो कर रहे हैं.
वो कितने मजे का काम है. फिर यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ तो मैंने एक माइनर ले लिया एडवर्टाइजिंग में.
Yeah.
So that way we got to visit a few advertising agencies. So वो बड़ा शौक था कि ये करना है. But then what happened was that